Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I am going to show you how to graph a system of inequalities using your graphing calculator. I made a video, I just created a video a few minutes ago showing you how to graph a single inequality. And I showed you that it didn't matter if it was in slope-intercept form or not. So if you have not watched that, I am going to include a link up here someplace. So when you watch it, go ahead and click. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and click on that, watch that first, and then come back here. But anyway, I'm just going to jump in and I'm going to show you how to graph this. Now, I'm going to graph the first one, using the calculator, and then the second one, since it's in slope-intercept form, I'm going to use my knowledge of rise over run and slope in order to get the second one. So let's just go. All right, so first thing, I'm going to grab my calculator, and then I am going to go to, you go from functions, delete that, and do relation mode, put it in relation mode. Again, that's in the previous video if you don't know how to do that. And then I'm just gonna type in the first inequality. So y is less than or equal to a negative 6/5. All right, so I'm gonna put a negative 6 and then over 5x and then minus 4. Right, now, boom. This is what you got. Now I'm gonna make this bigger so you can see. All we need to do is find 2 points on here. Once you get 2 points, you just use your ruler and you're good to go. So I'm gonna do menu 51, and it almost always will take you to the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 0, -4, and now all we need is another point. Now, all you really have to do from here is just type in x values once you're in menu 51 mode, and then find another one. So it doesn't look like any of these are. So let's see, it looks like this one is. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to type in a -5, and I should find another point that's good. So this is -5, 2. Now, I could have just started going -1. You see, that's a decimal, that's no good. I could do -2, that's no good. -3, that's no good. -4. That's no good. Negative. Just keep going until you find one that has two integer values, all right, two whole numbers, all right? Or so there we go, -5, 2. So now I've got 2 points. I got 0, -4, and I got a -5, 2. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to I'm going to do this. Actually, let's do it here. So that's going to be 0 and -4, and then our other point was a -5, 2. Okay, now because this has an equal sign, and I want to make sure you guys see this because this is really important. Once you got your points, hover over the line. Hover. Once you hover over it, you can clearly see that this is a solid line. And it is a solid line because it has an equal sign. But if you don't remember that, just hover over the line, and that'll tell you everything you need to know. So we can go back here now. So this is solid line, and we know that the shading is going to be underneath because we see it's underneath. Now, so that's how you would do it. You just find 2 points on the line, use your ruler, and then do what you need to do. This one, I'm going to do it the traditional way. So the y-intercept is 4, so our first point is going to be 4, and then we're going to use the slope, up 2 over 5. So I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and then to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, done. Now, again, this has an equal sign, so this should be a solid line, and the graphing should be above the line. So I'm going to shade above. Now, so this right here is the solution. Now, I'm going to go back to the calculator because I want you to see. Now, I've already entered that second equation, so I just need to go find it right here. So you can see that these two match. Now, they want us to find a point in the solution set. This area is the solution set. So we need a point in this area. So we can go over, let's say, to a -8, and then let's go up a +3. Now, this is what I like about the calculator. And this is one of the things I want you guys to now start using. When you want to know or find a point or test a point in the solution set, all you have to do is press the letter P, which stands for point. You're going to see P1 is point and 2 is points by coordinates. That's what you want. And now it's going to give you 2 boxes. put the point that you want in there. Put the X and Y value. So we set a -8. So I'm going to do a -8, press enter. You have to press enter. And then it's going to go to the next box. And then I'm going to put in a +3. Now, the reason I like this is when I press enter, it's going to show you where the point is. By the way, escape once you've got your point. So right here, here is the point, and you can clearly see that a -8,3 is in the solution set. It's in this shaded area. This area is the solution set. So now I can go and finish this question and just type in a -8,3. And boom, that's it. Okay? That's how you do it. Use your calculator, graph, find 2 points, hover to see if it's a solid line or dash line, and then if you're asked to find a point, press P and then find a point, enter some coordinates, and then check to make sure it's in that solution set area. All right. This is about 6 minutes, but I hope that you guys, this is really all you have to do in order to get 4 points on the region. So I'm going to stop and post.